Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is fresh coconut burfi with jaggery. It is an Indian dessert that combines the rich sweetness of jaggery with the natural freshness of grated coconut. This traditional treat offers a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, with the nutty aroma of coconut beautifully complementing the earthy sweetness of jaggery. With each bite, you will experience a soft, melt in your mouth texture that defines this classy delicacy. Coconut is packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, E, B, and minerals like potassium, magnesium, iron. Jaggery is a good source of iron and other minerals. Coconut and jaggery contain dietary fiber, aiding in digestion, promoting gut health, and preventing constipation. Coconut offers a small amount of calcium, promoting bone health and strength. The combination of coconut and jaggery provides a quick and sustained energy boost, making it an ideal snack for active individuals. The vitamins and minerals in coconut and jaggery contribute to a stronger immune system. Let's start the recipe. Add 1 whole fresh coconut. Grind it. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to the plate. In a pan, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1 cup of grinded fresh coconut. Roast it for 3 minutes on low heat. Transfer this to the plate. In the same vessel, add half cup of jaggery. Adjust jaggery as per your taste. Just melt jaggery on low heat. Now add roasted fresh coconut. Fry on low heat until it turns aromatic. It took around 7 to 10 minutes. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 1/4 tablespoon of cardamom powder. Saute it for 2 minutes on low heat. The consistency should be as shown in the video. Now transfer into the greased plate. Cut into pieces once when it is hot. You can garnish with any dry fruits. Let it cool completely. Once again, cut into pieces. Very tasty and delicious fresh coconut burfis are ready. More sweet recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Calling all sweet lovers, please comment below. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.